Audi A8 L60. The Audi A8 L60 is a huge luxury vehicle that stands at the top of the manufacturer's range. The vehicle is a full-size luxury limo designed for one purpose: to savor life's most opulent moments. The driving posture is excellent. And a 360-degree camera system handles visual blind spots caused by the vehicle's massive A-pillar. There's power all the way through the RPM range, and it's always available no matter what pace you're driving it at. The Audi A8 is available with a variety of engine options, is quite large on the interior, and has all of the bells and whistles one would expect from a car. It's comfortable, good to drive, and incredibly capable.